Hello, I'm Andy Trickshot Taylor. If you're new here, please do subscribe. Please do leave us a like and a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to be learning this technique. Okay, so it's a bounce into a redirect, into an aerial. It's quite a lot that goes on, okay, so just going to break it down bit by bit. First of all, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be holding the stick in standard grip. You're going to point the nunchuck at the wall that you're pointing at, okay? To me, this is going in an anti-clockwise spin. To you, it'll be looking clockwise. So when you're doing it, please make sure your rotation is happening anti-clockwise. So I'm holding this with my right arm. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bounce on the inside of my left leg, like so. And it's going to want to bounce up, okay? If you just do it and lift it up, it's just so naturally just wants to bounce. Okay, we're going to be bouncing on the meaty part of our arm that we do our bicep clutch with, okay? So we're going to be going here, here, and then basically when you go here, you're going to point it round your arm to the top of it, okay? From there, it's going to roll down into this bicep clutch. From there, what you're going to do is you're going to point your hand down. There was quite a big empty space here. I could put my head through it. What I'm going to do is angle your hand down and point it at the wall that the top stick is pointing at, whoosh, and it will fall into the hand, you see? From there, what I want you to do is I want you to point this slightly at the floor, because if you point it forward, it's a lot harder to do this rotation at the end. So we're pointing this at the floor, and we're going to hop it up into an aerial, catch it, spin it, and clutch it. So all in all, whoosh, 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 you know this move now, so I hope you like it, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.